Good morning, everybody. Today we have our first of two problem solving pages. We're going to do 4-3 today. We will do, I think it's 4-7, it's whatever is at the end of the chapter tomorrow. And then that means we're going to review on Monday and test on Tuesday. So let's get to it. Today's word problem pages is all about understanding what all of your numbers mean in an answer to a division problem. What the heck do I mean by that? Well, let's talk about it. Let's say we're going to go on a field trip, and there are 27 students in the class. And let's say the Principal Thomas says we have to have one chaperone for every 6 students. All right. So I have to have one parent with every group of 6 kids. So it sounds like 27 divided by 6, right? And you're going, oh, well, this is really easy. 6 goes into 27 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. I get 3 as a remainder, and my answer is 4 remainder 3. Well, that doesn't really make sense, right? Can I have 4 remainder 3 chaperones? It's kind of a weird thing. So how many chaperones do I need? Do I need 4 chaperones? Do I need 3 chaperones? What the heck does the 4 mean? What does the 3 mean? So we divided by 6. The 4 means we have 4 complete groups with 6 kids in each of those 4 groups. The 3 means we have 3 kids who are left over who do not have a group. So our answer isn't 4 or 3. To draw a quick picture, let's see, 27, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 3. So here's 27 students, right? There's 27 little squares inside of this rectangle. And I need to put them into groups of 6. Group of 6, group of 6, group of 6, group of 6. Our 4 is this. 1, 2, 3, 4 complete groups of 6. So I definitely need 4 chaperones, 1 for each of these groups. But what about these 3 kids down here? That's what that number is. That's the kids that are left over that are not in a complete group. I'm going to need 1 more chaperone for that last group. I can't just have 3 kids running around doing whatever the heck they want to do, especially if it's like Matthias, Aiden, like, oh, geez, could you imagine? It'd be a nightmare. So our answer, since we need a chaperone for our remainder of kids as well, we need to add 1 to our answer. And our answer is going to be 5 chaperones. I need 4 chaperones for my complete groups, and I need 1 more for my leftover group here of 3. So when we do these types of problems, sometimes the answer is 4, sometimes our answer is the remainder, sometimes we need to add 1 more to our answer of 4 to get an answer of 5. So what do those different scenarios look like? One that your book loves is like, oh, you own a business and you sell coffee cups. And you can put 4 coffee cups into 1 box for when you ship them to your customers. If someone wants to buy 33 coffee cups, how many boxes will you need to ship it? So we know it's 33 divided by 4. We know that we're going to end up with 8 remainder 1. Now, there's a couple of different questions I could ask for this problem. All right, all these problems involve 33 coffee cups. All these problems involve packaging them in boxes of 4. They could ask, how many boxes do you need, which is just like this problem up here. Well, I'm going to have 8 full boxes, but I got 1 coffee cup left over. That 1 coffee cup's going to need its own box. So I'm going to need 9 boxes. If the question is, how many boxes will I need to ship the entire order? They may ask me, how many complete boxes will be shipped? Well, there's only 8 complete boxes being shipped. So if they ask how many full things are being shipped, it's going to be 8. In this problem up here, I could have asked you how many complete groups of students will need a chaperone. There are 4 complete groups. Remember, there's another group that was not full. They could ask you, how many coffee cups will be in the box that isn't full? Well, that's what our remainder is. We have that 1 coffee cup left over that didn't get in with all these other coffee cups. So it gets its own box. There's going to be simply 1 box in that box that isn't full. So depending on the question they ask, your answer is going to be different, even though the math problem stays the same of 33 divided by 4. So how many boxes total do we need? We have to go at 8, and we have to add 1 more because this coffee cup needs to be placed in a box. You can't just put a coffee cup in the mail. If they're going to ask how many boxes will be completely full, that's just going to be this first number over here. And if they're asking how many coffee cups are going to be in the box that isn't full, that's always going to be the remainder right there. All right, so all the problems are going to be division. What we call this is interpreting the remainder. Sometimes we have to add 1 more because of the remainder. Sometimes we ignore the remainder. Sometimes the answer is the remainder. Alrighty, here are your answers for your reteach. Why do I have them written in pen? Oh, that was the answer, the exact answer, and then you have to interpret it with the words there written in red. And here is your practice page. All right, see you in class.